All right, this is SSL Family Dad with Simple Sustainable Living, and today we're talking about greenhouse ventilation. All right, so we have our greenhouse all finished and we are ready to start growing. But the sun is out and man, can it get hot in there. It is anywhere from 30 to 40, even 50 degrees hotter in that greenhouse than it is outside. It gets hot in that thing. And so the one thing that we're gonna need, especially when it gets into the summer months, is good ventilation in there. We wanna hold the heat in there right now in the winter, the spring, and the fall, but in the middle of the summer, I may still have some lingering plants and things growing in there, and I don't want this thing getting up to 130 degrees. So let me show you what I've been using and what we're gonna upgrade to as far as some fans and some ventilation system here in the greenhouse. All right, so not only is this greenhouse used for seedlings and things, but the main reason I built this early in the winter was because we have this maple syrup evaporator in here. So we're doing a lot of boiling in here, and that creates a lot of steam. We've been using some ventilation, little window fans. I think that's a camping fan, actually. It's a little window fan. And these two windows here are removable. I did not design the sides to fold up in this greenhouse because this is going to be mainly a cold weather growing greenhouse. I didn't think that was necessary. We'll see. I have house fans screwed to the ceiling, and that's not an outdoor fan. That's not good in the high moisture areas and things, so we need to get rid of that. So what are we going to do here? The plan is to mount one on each side, so we need to cut some holes and make some kind of flap that opens or something here, and so let's dig in and get these fans mounted. So what I've decided on is two of these NewAir 18-inch wall fans. These are a shop type of fan. They're meant for kind of rugged conditions. They're very well built, sturdy, adjustable. They're 3-speed, and they're very low power consumption, which is nice. And so this will be perfect for our greenhouse ventilation. All right, let's see what we get here. So this is the same company that we got that air conditioner from last year, that portable air conditioner. I'll put a link to that video. It's a pretty cool little deal too, getting into the season for cooling here pretty soon. So it's a pretty solid little fan, easy to mount, and it'll rotate either way, so I can have it pointing in the greenhouse and pushing air in, or rotate it around to push air out, either way. So nice sealed motor, so it's not going to get any dust and dirt and things like that in there. I think this is going to work out really well. So let's get some holes cut in the wall and get this installed. Well, we're all installed here, and these things are perfect. They fit in here really well, and I'm real happy with how everything turned out. They have 3 speeds, so there's low, medium, and high, and it's actually fairly quiet. And the way I have them mounted in here, they can actually be spun around, so I can have them blowing inwards or outwards, however I want to have them. And the outside door there can close and be locked, obviously, and then it's just propped up on with a piece of rope on the outside there. So but they really work perfectly in here. They fit well, and man, with both these things on high, we get a real nice breeze coming through the whole greenhouse. I think we should keep nice and cool, at least throughout the springtime. All right, well, fans are installed and they're working perfectly. I couldn't be happier. They fit in there really nicely. They're nice and quiet, and only 18 watts. So between the both of them on low, it's 36 watts total running power. And so I feel very comfortable letting these run for quite some time whenever it's hot out or whenever I need to ventilate this place here in the spring. I could also throw in some solar panels and a little battery backup or something like that in here, or a wind generator or something down the road, and very easily power these fans when needed to. So I just love these things. So thank you to NewAir for supplying the fans and allowing us to test these out. So if you're interested in checking them out, the company has actually offered a 15% discount. So if you use the link in the description, you get a 15% off of the fans, and they're already reasonably priced. So I think it's a great deal. And check out their website, newair.com. They've got all kinds of other great household items to check out there, and great quality stuff. So we are finally have proper ventilation in this place, and I couldn't be happier. I can take the household fans mounted to the ceiling out of here, and the last bit of maple syrup that we have to process through here, this will help ventilate this place way better than anything that I had in here before. And so I'm excited and happy to move forward throughout the spring. Look forward to a lot of gardening videos coming up soon, guys. Thumbs up on the video as always. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.